Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today I am diving into the economic situation in Zimbabwe. What's the latest in the country? Okay, you see the country recently launched a brand new currency, the quote-unquote Zim Gold or ZIG, Z-I-G, with a big promise to end crippling inflation. The question is, will it work? Stay with me, let us examine the latest currency development in Zimbabwe, launched in 5th April 2024. Meanwhile, grab yourself a drink and get comfy. While you're at it, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. Zimbabwe, once Africa quote-unquote bread basket, is making a bold move, launching a new currency called the ZIG. This decision comes after decades of economic struggles. Hyperinflation in the late 2000s destroyed the Zimbabwean dollar, while a multi-currency system was adopted in 2009. However, it wasn't a lasting solution. In the recent development, data shows inflation continues to climb, reaching a staggering 55% in its first quarter of 2024. Can the ZIG break the cycle? Well, good question. Wait, let me tell you more about the economic impact of inflation in Zimbabwe. You see, inflation in Zimbabwe has become a brutal cycle. Yes, you heard me, brutal cycle. Skyrocketing, and unemployment has pushed many below the poverty line. As prices of necessity jump out of control, wages and saving lose value, making daily life a struggle for both citizens and businesses. In this desperate economic climate, the Zimbabwean government has taken a bold step, launching a new currency, the ZIG, with the ambitious goal of ending crippling inflation. Again, can the ZIG succeed where others have failed? Good question. Okay, let us examine Zim Gold or ZIG if you like. So what's the big deal about the ZIG? You see, unlike previous currencies backed by gold, unlike previous currency, it is backed by gold, a valuable and stable asset. The idea is that this backing will prevent the ZIG from losing value rapidly, like its predecessors. Okay, here's the theory. The Zimbabwean government claims it has enough gold reserves to back the ZIG. This creates trust in the currency, encouraging people to use it instead of hoarding foreign currencies like the US dollar. The strategy is thus: with increased use, inflation should slow down, stabilizing the economy. The ZIG is in denomination of 1, 2, 5, 10, 50, 100, and 200. In my opinion, Zimbabwe's decision to launch a gold-backed currency, the ZIG, is a commendable step. The ZIG isn't just a new currency, it's a symbol of hope and resilience. Each ZIG note represents a share of Zimbabwe's valuable gold and mineral reserves, giving the currency tangible backing. A stark contrast, listen to that, a stark contrast to currency based solely on government promises. Well, we all see how such promises can be abused, leading to excessive printing of money, which often leads to devaluation and inflation. The ZIG, with its real asset backing, has the potential to break this cycle and foster much needed stability. Okay, here is the key. You see, the key difference lies in the inherent value of gold, unlike fiat money, which lack intrinsic value. The ZIG is backed by Zimbabwe's gold reserve. It is important to note that Zimbabwe's central bank reportedly owes local reserve of $285 million. Let me repeat that, $285 million, including 2,522 gold and $100 million in foreign accounts. This reserve is expected to provide a strong foundation for the SIG, safeguarding its value against fluctuation in the global economy. Okay, here's another strategy, move by the central bank to strengthen the SIG. It will circulate alongside existing currency in the country. This allows the market to determine the exchange rate naturally based on supply and demand. This transparency in price discovery, unlike government control rates, aims to reduce inflation and deflation, hence fostering overall stability. I'd like to hear your comment. Moving on, you see, as with any major economic shift, challenges may arise. Okay, let's dive deeper and hear from a renowned Zimbabwean economist, Dr. Tandiwe Nkube, who shared her thoughts on the potential obstacle this ZIG might face. So according to Dr. Nkube, the concept of a gold-backed currency is sound, but execution is key. Zimbabwe needs to be transparent about its gold reserve and manage them responsibly. On transparency, Dr. Ukube raised critical points. Transparency and responsible fiscal policy are crucial. There's also the black market to consider. If people lose faith in the ZIG, they might turn to US dollar on the black market, undermining the new currency. Speaking further, the doctor claimed that the official exchange rate for the ZIG is currently set, but the black market can tell a different story. A strong black market presence could weaken the ZIG and hinder its effectiveness. Dr. Nkube said, and I quote, "Only time will tell if the ZIG can truly tame inflation." The early days are crucial. People need to see the ZIG being accepted by businesses and holding its value, end quote. That said, despite past challenges, there's a newfound optimism surrounding the ZIG currency. Economists view it as a chance for Zimbabwe to break free from the cycle of inflation and economic hardship. The ZIG has the potential to spur economic growth, attract foreign investment, and elevate the living standard of Zimbabweans. It's a symbol of economic revival, a beacon of hope for a nation that has weathered over 2 decades of economic turmoil. Okay now. This is where things get exciting. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. Smash that like button and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Remember, together we are building a community focused on creating wealth, launching companies, and generating jobs. Thank you. See you soon. Bye now.